In a cage, just like a goldfish in a bowl. How far could it go? And if you took them both out, would they wanna go back? Some questions will stay unanswered. Some answers should not be known.